Hello everyone, welcome. My name is BadCode. How's everybody doing? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about QB loading and when you get the black screen on your video. I'm going to show you how to fix it. That way you can use the video you are using. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is download DaVinci Resolve. It's the software I use to edit my videos. There's a free version that does mostly everything, if you ask me. And it's pretty awesome. When I have the ability to buy the official version, I will buy it. So you can choose DaVinci Resolve free download. I don't know if this is the correct word. Let me just check this one. Just go to your, it has to be Blackmagic Designs. If it's any other site, ignore it. The publicities, don't fall for those tricks. And so just click here. You'll be sent to this page. Go away. Just search for DaVinci Resolve 19. Download Gratuito. This is in Portuguese. Sorry. Let's put this in English. Let's put it UK. Okay, English. Okay, we can read now, right? So just choose your free download now. It'll tell you it'll ask you what operating system. Most of you will be this one. If you know what this is, you probably have it, use this. If you don't know what it is, just use this one. If you have Mac or Linux, choose one of those. It's up to you. You will have to fill this out. I'm not sure, after you register, it will ask you or give you the link to download. Not 100% sure. Or if it sends you through email. Just follow the instructions. It's easy. Don't have to put too much information here. Just put what you think you can put in there, and that's the end of that. After that's done, you should have a file. Something like this. When you run it, it will ask you for admin permissions, but before that it has to unpack. I won't be able to install it because I already have it installed. As you see, it asks for permission. Let's minimize this. You don't have to install the Farlight Audio Accelerator utility. You just have to install this bottom one. As you can see, it's already installed. Just install it, select the directory where you want to install it, place everything as you see fit, and you're done. After it's downloaded, just run it. Sorry. As you can see here, this was the one I did for the NEFFEX video. As you can see here, this is where all the videos I made for QB Core are in. Secret. What you can do is one of two things. You can click on you'll probably only see unlisted project or untitled project. It creates this one by default, or you can just say new project right here and create a new project. It's up to you. You can choose a directory to where to put it, but DaVinci takes care of everything, so don't worry. Give the name to your project. Let's say I did that fix video. This is the second time I'm recording this video. I didn't like the first one. So fix video 2, create, and boom. Do not run and hide, quiver in the corners. It's not complicated. I'll just explain what you need and what you don't need. Everything else you can learn later on. There are plenty of videos online explaining this. As I said, it is an awesome program to edit your videos. I don't know if it's top of the line. I love it. There are a lot of things that you can do in here. I only know like 5%, and it's simply awesome. Okay, so first off, this is where you drag your clips, your videos, and all that. But before we do that, we have to create a new timeline. What is a new timeline? A new timeline is the video you are making. And before we get into this, we have to go to the video that is not working on your side. So I think it's this one. Here it is. So I've downloaded 2 videos. I don't remember if I said this in the beginning. My first video of QB loading, I said 60 frames didn't work. I was wrong. It does. It depends on how it's formatted inside. So I have 2 videos. I have a 30 frame and a 60 frame. We will probably be putting them both in this little video to choose. Let's say this is the video that is not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click it. This is important for when you create the timeline. Properties, details, and this is a bigger video. You can lower the quality if you want to 1920 to 1080. Actually, it will be much simpler if you do that, and that way it's less to download for the client. But the most important part is right here, the frames per second. Try to keep it the same. In this case, if you want 60 frames, put 60 frames. This one is 59.94. And the sound is not that important because we do usually mute it and put other musics, but you can also reduce this. It doesn't have to be this quality also. So let's put this aside, minimize this, and oops, sorry. Right click this black box here. You should be on this part right here, the first box. This one, not important. This one is. This is mostly where you're going to do most of your work. Create new timeline. And as you can see here, it's asking for the timeline name. In this case, call it my first video fix. But we don't want this. We want more complicated stuff. We want to check out the interior and all that. So this option right here, use project settings, unclick it, and oh shizers. A lot more stuff appeared. We can use this as a default because we normally use this kind of quality. Square, cinematic, it also depends on what you're doing. And this is where we change the frame rates per second. As you can remember, 59.94. So let's choose 59.94. Everything else you do not need to change, to alter, whatever. You can check other things if you want. If you want to alter anything in here, by default, this should work. Create, and bam, this is what's down here. Now we're going to take the video that you're having problems with, and just go like this. Boom. We're gonna add this one too. Boom. And now the fun part. Easy as pie. Grab your video, place it here. Go to the end. This is the part is the whole video. Bottom part is the zoomed in video. Pick up the second part. Boom. There you have it. This one has sound, the first one does not. Okay, when you're done, go to the end. You have media, cut, edit, fusion, color, Farlight, and delivery. We are going to delivery. And these are the options I choose, and it usually does work. The video may get bigger. Most likely it probably will. And it's up to you guys to make it smaller if you want. Choose YouTube. Give it a name. My first video fix. Location, choose a location. Let's choose the same place where I got those. Save. MP4 is a good format. Don't change it. If you know what you're doing, you can alter these things. But fair warning, these are the options that do work. I haven't tried other ones. So there, once you define these two things, go down here and it should say add to render queue. And if you notice, something appeared on the right side. Yay, it's ready to render. So in my case, I usually make various videos. Please note, if you make one timeline, render it, alter that same timeline and do another render it, your first video is gone. If you do different timelines, you can add them all up here, no stress, perfectly fine, and you can render it, no problem. So when we're done, there are two ways to make it render. You can right click it. Actually, you can't right click it. I guess not. You have to render all. So I thought we could render only the ones we wanted. I guess not. So click render all. It's depending on the size of your video, it may take a while, may not. Okay, it's done. Let's go check it out. Here is my first video. This is the information from this one right here. Let's check out this one. As you can see, it has the same frame rate. The sound did go down a little bit. We made the default things. We could have put the same, not sure. And there you go. So now we have our video. And let's put this on our, actually let's play this. As you can see, it should be around here somewhere. Okay. So let's copy this video to our VPS server. How big is it? General curiosity. Only 132. Okay, so let's go to our VPS server. We are going to go to our QB core, resources, QB loading. Here it is. Assets, video. I'm going to delete these two. Actually, these three. These are my test ones. And we're going to copy the file over here. Okay, so this is our video. Go back to QB loading, HTML, index, edit. I still have this in the other part, so let's put it so we comment all of this. Change it from the normal imaging thing to the video thing. Now this is me testing it, so let's comment this. And here we put the name of our video, which is, I forgot already. Actually, it was the other way around I wanted to do. This is the original one, so I don't usually alter the original one and just make a copy of it. Okay. To see if the video works. This is just a test option because you can run this on your computer. As you can see, works but no video but all of these images are in a place where it doesn't know where it is. So what you're going to do is, remember, where it says video slash MP4, put 2 dots right here, just before that slash. Save it and run it. Okay, the video is working here. Awesome. So let's check if it's working in the game. Again, you do have to restart the server for this, or else because it's a new file in the system and the server doesn't know it's there yet. So restart the server. Actually, I haven't logged in a while, so restart. After the server restarts, with no errors, okay, everything seems to have gone okay. I did see a message up there, but that's for another time. So let's load up our 5M and see how that goes. Okay, let's connect. It will be downloading the file again. It may take a while. And there you have it. As you can see, the video. At this point, the video that wasn't working is working now. But if it's still not working, I don't know. There may be something weird going on there. But if you do use the default of the YouTube version, it should work always. Oh, before we continue, go back to your VPS server. This did work, but it shouldn't have. Remove the 2 dots and save it again. That way it's the way it's supposed to be. So I guess that's it. Well, as you can see, the video should have worked at this moment. If it did, awesome. Yay. We did it. If it didn't, try to keep it as use the main configuration of the timeline. I just tried to make it so we could use the same FPSs of the video, but you can just use the default version of the timeline and it should work. The only problem is it'll just reduce it to 30 frames per second instead of your whatever frame rate you're using at the moment. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I am sorry I haven't posted in a while. Life's been a little rough. Some bad stuff has happened in my life, and it's been a little hard to have the mentality to do this. But I really do love to see the support you guys are giving me. It is amazing. Thank you for that. We're almost at 60 subscribers. I think we're at 58 at this moment. Damn, we're almost at 100. All because of you guys. Woo! Really, thank you so much for the support. I will be making more videos. Just a heads up, there will be 2 or 3 fast videos. Then really simple things to fix certain situations. There will be live streams. Not sure what I'm going to do there. If it's going to be making a new script or trying to explain certain things. Maybe give me some suggestions down below and I will see what I can do. So thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like. And if you want to be informed of new videos, hit that subscribe and that notification button. It really does help the channel. If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything else, write them down in the comments section down below. We do also have a Discord. Hop on in if you need any help. I'm not sure if I can help you 100%. I am not an official QB Core technician. What's the word? If you want really support from them, or 100% support from them, you should go to their Discord or their channels and ask them for help. If you want, go outside the box. Not saying you should. And again, I am not responsible for any damages caused on your side. But I will try to help as best I can to fix any problems you guys have. Okay, that is it. Bye-bye.